And tonight, more kids are getting hurt on e-bikes and e-scooters across the First Coast. Doctors at Wolfson Children's Hospital say they're treating more of these injuries than ever before. This all comes after several serious crashes in our area, including one in St. Johns County where a 12-year-old on a motorized dirt bike lost his life. Our Sydney Deshawn is joining us tonight, speaking with lawmakers about what they want to change to help keep our kids safe. Sydney.
Anthony, just in the month of January this year, Wolfson Children's says it treated 19 kids badly injured in e-bike or e-scooter crashes. Now, back in 2022, there were just 3. That's more than 3,000% increase in just 3 years. Now, lawmakers say something has to change.
They're all over the First Coast, motorized e-bikes and scooters.
It's been more and more near accidents and now fatalities. It's horrible.
State Representative Kim Kendall saw the heartbreak firsthand at Wolfson Children's last year.
When I was there, a 5-year-old girl was being held by her father in his arms. She was in critical condition because she got slung off the e-bike and hit her head.
She says the young girl's bike helmet didn't do enough to protect her.
Bicycle helmets only do the top part. It needs to be a full cranium helmet, just like a motorcycle.
Wolfson Children's Trauma Center showing the spike in injuries related to e-bike and e-scooter crashes. In 2022, 3 cases. In 2023, 23. 2024, 74. 2025, 115. In January alone, 19 kids. February 17th, a 12-year-old on a motorbike died after colliding with a car outside Patriot Oaks Academy. It's reasons like this State Representative Anna Escamani co-introduced House Bill 243.
These are not toys, these are transportation tools.
The bill would make it mandatory for those on an e-bike to yield to pedestrians on shared paths and add a 10 miles per hour sidewalk cap near people. It would also create a 9-member task force to dig into crash data and recommend improvements.
What are the trends that led to an accident, that led to an injury or a fatality?
She says the goal isn't to restrict access, it's to keep safety first.
The concern, of course, that I think a lot of us have is when it pertains to children, especially who don't have a permit and are driving this without safety gear.
But Kendall says right now, more needs to be done.
We know it's just going to continue to get worse.
She's filing her own bill this summer with the help of St. Johns County Sheriff Rob Hardwick.
One of the things we want to see is defining the e-motos. These are the electric motorcycles. They are not defined in law.
The St. Johns County Sheriff's Office sent us a statement saying it's stepping up enforcement and school education on safer riding. They are reminding kids it's just like driving another type of vehicle, so obey all traffic laws, slow down for pedestrians, ride with traffic, use lights, and remember helmets are required for anyone under 16.
Now, the Senate companion to House Bill 243 is scheduled to go to the Senate floor tomorrow. If it does pass the Senate, the House takes up its version next. If both chambers passed, it then goes to the governor. Heather.